Hi, this is Keith from Pushbutton Giveaways, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pushbutton Giveaways to join a giveaway event. So you just go in the Join Giveaways and click on your giveaways. This will give you a list of all the current events. Now I've added this one down the bottom. This is actually a test one, and so if you haven't joined already, you'll get a red join button here. So I'm just going to click that, and it will pop up this form, which is obviously filled in already, because that's the whole point of Pushbutton Giveaways. And I'll click register your account, and there we are. It goes into the giveaway script and offers me an upsell, which I'm going to turn down because no point paying myself. Turn down the downsell as well. And there we are. We're into the members area, and this is a special offer we're being offered, which I'm going to skip past. Oh, I've got to click OK to get past that. And there we are in the members area. And actually that's it. You've joined an event, and all you have to do is click a few buttons. If you go into profile, you can get your member ID, and then we go back into Pushbutton Giveaways, and I would put that in as affiliate ID, affiliate number I mean. Join date, today's the 24th. I actually write the dates year, month and day in this, just the way I prefer to do it on here, because then if you sort them in numerical order, they'll also be date order if you put the year first. So update your giveaways, and there we are. We're joined, and that's it for Join a Giveaway.